Yesterday we did calculation of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Today, accounting treatment of goodwill. Accounting treatment of goodwill is a very important topic, and in this topic we are going to learn what would be the treatment of goodwill when a particular partner is retiring, when a particular partner goes away. What should be the treatment of goodwill? Similarly, the treatment of goodwill was taught to you in admission also. Treatment of goodwill in retirement. When a partner will retire, in the beginning I told you the firm is entitled to pay him his share of goodwill, in cash. The retiring partner is entitled to receive his share of goodwill in cash, and he is entitled to receive it from the continuing partners, and continuing partners will pay him in the gaining ratio. Gaining ratio, that is why very important in the treatment of goodwill. When you want the goodwill to be distributed amongst the retiring partner, then the journal entry for this, note down, remaining partners capital account will be debited. Remaining partners capital account will be debited and that in gaining ratio, that too in gaining ratio. Keep your cameras on. Basundra, turn the camera on. Very good. Khushpreet, remaining partners or the partners, those who are going to continue, their account will be debited, and the retiring partner, his account will be credited. Suppose retiring partner share of goodwill is rupees 10,000 and the gaining ratio is 3:2, and if B is retiring, then A and C will pay 10,000 rupees to B. In what ratio? 3:2. 3:2. और वो 3:2 में जब बांटेंगे तो A और C capital account will be debited. A and C's capital account will be debited and B's capital account will be credited. Journal entry क्या होगी? A's capital account debit, C's capital account.
सतनाम को तो ले लो क्लास में.
You mind your own business and keep the camera on. Keep your camera on. A is capital account debit, C is capital account debit to B is capital account. B is the retiring partner. B is the retiring partner. तो 10,000 रुपए को 3:2 में आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लीजिए. कितने कितने हो जाएंगे? 6,000 and 4,000. Write down the journal entry. A is capital account debit 6,000. C is capital account debit 4,000. To B's capital account, Varun, write properly. A's capital account debit 6,000. C's capital account debit 4,000 to B's capital account. That will be 10,000. Got it? Now, if goodwill is already appearing in the book, if goodwill is already appearing in the book, जब पार्टनर कोई रिटायर हो रहा है और सपोज गुडविल पहले से उसमें है, एंड सपोज गुडविल पहले से बैलेंस शीट में शो हो रही है 50,000, so that goodwill is to be written off, and that will be written off amongst all the partner including the retiring partner. तो क्या जनरल एंट्री होनी चाहिए? राइट डाउन when goodwill is already appearing in the book. Next case, when goodwill is already appearing in the book, when goodwill is already appearing in the book, all partners capital account debit, all partners capital account debit to goodwill account. All partners capital account debit to goodwill account, and in old ratio, very important this entry. You see in this the retiring partner is also included. The retiring partner is also included. Retiring partner is also included means the retiring partner has also got his share in the goodwill of the firm. Retiring partner's contribution is also there in the goodwill of the firm. Therefore, he is also included here. All partners capital account debit. If there are 3 partners, A, B, C, and B retires, even then, at the time of retirement, if goodwill already appearing in the books is 20,000 rupees, we will write A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to goodwill account 20,000. A, B, C. All the partners will be debited. All the partners will be debited. Very important journal entry it is. All the partners, including the retiring partner. Retiring partner को क्यों include किया है? Retiring partner is also included in this because he was also involved with other partners, and if this goodwill is already appearing in the book, then at the time when it is to be written off, his accounts should also be debited. His accounts should also be debited. It should be very, very clear. This is the journal entry. All partners capital account debit to goodwill account. A, B, C account debit to goodwill. और ये वाली एंट्री जो है, जो पार्टनर रिटायर हो रहा है उस पार्टनर को उसका शेयर ऑफ गुडविल देने के लिए we will do this entry. Remaining partners capital account debit to retiring partner capital account. To retiring partner capital account. ये दोनों जर्नल एंट्री इस चैप्टर में आपको अच्छी तरीके से याद रहनी चाहिए. एक गुडविल राइट ऑफ करने की, दूसरा रिटायरिंग पार्टनर को हिज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल देने की. अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल में दीज टू जर्नल एंट्रीज आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 in your book, practical illustration number 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 up to 24. All the questions are related to this particular topic which I have just explained. Arshit, keep the camera on. Anybody whose camera is not on, I have told you I will immediately remove you. एक बार जब आपने कैमरा ऑन कर लिया है उसको टच करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Sit at a proper distance. I should see you writing something, solving the question, taking active part. आपने देख लिया होगा. Again to remind you, क्लास 12th का बोर्ड का रिजल्ट आपने देख लिया. कौन से फॉर्मूले पे है?
30, 40.
30% marks of class 10th, 30% marks of class 11th, and 40% marks from this year जो उन्होंने प्री बोर्ड दिए, this year जो उन्होंने यूनिट टेस्ट दिए. And if they have not done it properly, this year result will be affected. Same thing can happen with you also. If you are not taking your studies properly, if you are not doing sincere work daily, क्लास टेस्ट में नंबर नहीं होंगे, यूनिट टेस्ट में नंबर नहीं होंगे, आपके पीरियोडिक टेस्ट में नंबर नहीं होंगे, हाफ ईयरली में नंबर नहीं होंगे, तो फिर आपके फाइनल में रिजल्ट में भी फिर वैसे ही नंबर होंगे. बेटा, take it very very seriously. Some of you are still not taking seriously. Some of you are playing fool. I am noting down everybody. कुछ तो ऐसे हैं जिनको I will not allow in the class also. They are not following the instruction.
सर एक बात पूछनी है.
They are playing fool.
सर
So
सर मुझे क्यों नहीं कहते थे क्लास में?
Everyone has to be in school uniform. Must be on all the time. Everybody will solve question number, and after solving you will show me your notebook like this. Practical question number 19. practical question number 19.
सर पार्ट ए और बी
19 छोड़ दो, अभी पहले आप ये करो, इसमें है आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, फर्स्ट 17, प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 फ्रॉम योर डीके गोयल. Practical question number 17 from DK Goyal. Everybody should be seen doing the question. Varun, start doing the question. Ansika Bhatia, carry on with the question. Ankit, practical question number 17, ABC sharing profit in the ratio 4:3:2. Goodwill is appearing in the book already, 42,000, and goodwill of the firm is 63,000. Goodwill of the firm से calculate the share of retiring partner. फिर आप निकालिए गेनिंग रेशियो, पहले निकालिए न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो, देन यू फाइंड आउट द गेनिंग रेशियो, एंड देन डू द टू जनरल एंट्री जो यहां पर किए. यस सतनाम, आर यू डूइंग? Remove the cloth from your mouth, Satnam. Satnam, first of all calculate the gaining ratio, new ratio minus old ratio. Gaining ratio, first of all calculate the gaining ratio. Here we will solve. ABC 4:3:2. C retires. Gaining ratio A. A's new profit sharing ratio is 4:3. old ratio is 4/9, 4 + 3 + 2, ए का ओल्ड रेशियो है 4/9, ए का न्यू रेशियो है सी बिकॉज रिटायर हो रहा है 4:3, यानी कि 4 + 3 7, 4/7 - 4/9, (20/63). बी, न्यू माइनस ओल्ड, (10:3). Is it correct? The gearing ratio of A and B will be 10:3. Now, what will be the journal entry? Vansika, journal entry for treatment of goodwill to the retiring partner. Unmute.
A's capital account debit rupees 18,667.
Okay.
B's capital account debit to 14,000.
Okay.
C's capital account debit to 9,300.
This you are telling of writing off goodwill already appearing in the book. That is
Yes, sir.
63,000 जो total goodwill appearing, sorry 42,000 जो goodwill appearing in the book है, आप उसकी जनरल एंट्री बता रहे हैं. A कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, B कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, C कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू गुडविल. I am asking for payment to retiring partner, his share of goodwill. Harshit will tell.
A's capital account debit 8,000.
Harshit.
चलो ठीक है.
This one, this journal entry. First one. Treatment of goodwill to the retiring partner.
Sir, A's capital account 8,000 debit. B's capital account debit 6,000. And to C's capital account 14,000.
Very good. A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to C's capital account should be the journal entry for the treatment of goodwill to the retiring partner. His share of goodwill, कितना शेयर है C का? C का शेयर है 2/9. Total goodwill of firm है 63,000. 2/9 multiplied by 63,000. It is 14,000. Total share of goodwill of the retiring partner is 14,000. तो जो पार्टनर रिटायर हो रहा है उसे 14,000 रुपीज कौन देगा? ए और बी. कौन से रेशियो में? गेनिंग रेशियो में. इट्स सो सिंपल. रवि, यस. सतनाम, Put your cloth down. There is no need. So these two entries of accounting treatment of goodwill of the existing goodwill and to the retiring partner up to question number 24, retirement of partner, you can do. In case of problem, tomorrow you will ask. Any doubt to anyone? Any question? No one? So update your work. Very soon you are going to have your test, periodic test, which will be very, very important for you, considering the situation and conditions. Take it very seriously. Join the classes regularly, daily, and be in your school uniform. Thank you. God bless all of you.